अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूवर्स, उम्मीद आप खैरियत से होंगे। इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड को समझा था लास्ट क्लास में। लेट्स हैव डिस्कशन ऑन इनइलास्टिक डिमांड। Inelastic demand simply means elasticity of demand less than 1 or less than unity. Unity simply means unit means 1. Simply when percentage change in quantity demand is less than percentage change in price. जब आपकी क्वांटिटी डिमांड का परसेंटेज चेंज प्राइस के परसेंटेज चेंज से कम हो, that concept is known as inelastic demand or elasticity of demand less than unity or less than 1. In other words, when the degree of responsiveness of quantity demand is less than the change in price, then we can say that the elasticity of demand is inelastic or less than 1. For example, here we have price, here we have quantity demand. Let's say price is 10 and 20. Price increases, quantity demand decreases. Formula of elasticity of demand: del Q over del P multiplied by P1 over Q1. Del Q 50 minus 100, 50, del P 20 minus 10, 10, P1 10, Q1 100. 1 over 2. 1 over 2, we all know 0.5. 0.5 is less than 1, thus the demand is inelastic. It's like a piece of cake. Now, let's draw the graph. परेशान नहीं होना, बहुत आसान है, सिर्फ समझना है। अच्छा जी, let me have a price of 10 rupees and 20 rupees. Large change in price causes a small change in quantity demand. When price is 10, quantity demand is 100, 20, then we have 50, and the curve is a steeper curve. That is the inelastic demand less than 1. You can also calculate that elasticity from the basic formula, means percentage change in quantity demand with respect to percentage change in price. We can also calculate from it. Let's have a calculation here. Percentage change in quantity demand. We all know the formula that we have discussed in the last class, that is delta Q over Q1 multiplied by 100. And we have the percentage change in price. And we all know the formula, just put P as part of Q. Now we have del Q, that is 50, Q1 that is 100, multiplied by 100, simply 50% change in quantity demand. It means that here the change is 50%. Now let's move towards the price. Del P 10, P1 10, multiplied by 100, 10 cancel, 100% change in price. It means that large change in price, that is 100%. That's why the area is more larger than the change in quantity demand. Divide both. 50% divided by 100%, 0.5 less than 1 in elastic demand. Hope you will understand the concept of inelastic demand. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.